We are here today in the Crystal in London, in apparently Britain's most sustainable building, to talk about food. Food is going to be one of those sectors that come under most pressure from changes. For example, only 5% of tea is going to be able to grow in places where tea currently grows. So where are we going to get the other 95% from? Soil health is deteriorating globally, so we need to make sure that we're caring for the soil. Many issues around the food production system, around the use of water, the climate change impacts that are generated from the system of food production. And finally, we'd like to put food into people's mouths, not waste it, and make it really healthy and fantastic for their well-being.
So for us, innovation is the act of actually doing something that creates value. It's actually solving a real problem all the way through to the solution, whereas your invention bit there is much more about just coming up with the ideas in the first place.
And you'll see around that 2040, 2050, we run out of supply. So population projections would suggest that we're going to have an undernourished scenario.
So the question is, what is that we are not doing? We have all these fantastic technologies. We have moved from Industrial Revolution 1, 2, 3, now 4. Still, we are not able to solve the problem of food safety.
How far can you go on water reduction, on energy reduction, on waste reduction? Unless we take this thing blinking seriously, we will never know. And I would ask you to take it seriously, because the world needs it, because we need to solve all those problems.
What does electricity produce? Carbon dioxide up the chimney. So what can you do with carbon dioxide? You can grow things with carbon dioxide. So this pipe here takes carbon dioxide into a greenhouse. If you pump up the carbon dioxide levels in this room to 3 times the atmospheric level, tomatoes would grow twice as fast. So I started as a company to grow tomatoes, and within a few years we're the biggest tomato grower in the country.
For me, it's about sustainable trade. You can make something economically interesting, but is it sustainable?
Yeah, I think pricing that fully reflects the environmental impact of products. It's easy to say, but not easy to do. But I think that will be the only thing that changes behaviour.
Whatever the problem is, if it's at system level, the root cause answer is almost certainly change the system of governance. And for me, that would imply that governments and industry and consumers, industry including retailers and farmers, have to find a new way of working together